Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here. And this is our St. Patrick's Day food series that we're actually cooking. So today we're using up some of our leftover corned beef here, and we're making a breakfast dish. So we have our corned beef there, which is, we just take it out of the water. In our pan here, I just put a little bit of olive oil in there, and I've just chopped up some potatoes, and I'm going to add to that some onions. So this is everything delicious that you like for breakfast. So corned beef, we're going to do a fried egg on top of it. So you've got mushrooms, onions, potatoes, and finish off a little bit of cheese on top. Great brunch dish. Even like a light supper would be actually perfect. So it'll be really, really good. So these are chestnut mushrooms, but whatever mushrooms you have are totally fine. Buff mushrooms are perfect. A bit of wild mushrooms would be nice as well. So it's completely up to yourself. And what's great about this is all in one pan. So it's a one pan wonder. A little bit of bacon there would be fine. Or you can actually use some rashers if you have rashers, which would be fine. I'm just putting a little bit of butter in there. Oh, look at that. I think I'm going to leave it slices, Julian. What do you think?
That's nice.
Ooh, try and keep them in the pan, Kev. Okay, and I'm going to cook a fried egg. These simple recipes that really, really work. It's also using up nice leftovers there as well. I'm just going to put a little bit of butter in there too. Oh, look at that egg. See the difference that butter makes? And I'm just like basting it there. And just cooking it nice and slowly. Okay, grab our plate. And the potatoes. Lovely fried egg over top. We've got some fresh chives here from the garden. A little bit of rosemary flowers on there. There you have delicious breakfast idea. So, or even a light supper. So I put a little bit of salt and pepper on top. Got a grater here. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese, is that what that is?
No, this one is it's actually Hegarty cheese.
Hegarty, oh, beautiful, Hegarty cheese from Cork. There you go. And then, will I cut the egg open, Julian?
Yeah, let's go. Nice.
Oh, beautiful. There you go. Super simple. Light supper, breakfast. Anytime of the day. See you all tomorrow.